Hello dear all, Rani Raut is here and in the today's video we are going to learn about the science subject of the 5th grade. In the today's session we are going to learn about the excretory system. Our body is composed of various organ systems. All these organ systems work together to the perform of various functions of life. We have already learned about the circulatory system, nerve system, digestive system, respiratory system, skeletal system, and muscular system. In this chapter, we will learn about the excretory system in the human body. We all know that our body needs air, food, and water for survival, and that is remove waste products such as carbon dioxide, urine, and water. This unwanted substance need to be continuously removed from our body as most of them are toxic in the nature. The process of removal of these waste products from our body is called excretion. The system that help in removing these waste products from our body is called the excretory system. Our body needs to get rid of two types of wastage: waste from digestion and the metabolic wastage, such as urea, water, salt, carbon dioxide, etc. Let us first discuss the removal wastage from digestion. You already know that the body absorbs the nutrients from the through the process of digestion. Food is processed from the moment it enters the mouth so that maximum nutrition can be obtained from it. The intestine from the canal extending from the stomach to the anus. The small intestine remove all the nutrients from the food and allow them enter the blood. Whatever does not get absorbed or cannot be further broken down by body need to be removed. Thus, the large intestine absorb water and eject the rest of the semi-solid waste. Removal of undigested food from the body in the form of feces is known as egestion. Let us now study the removal wastage, other types of wastage from our body. Metabolic wastage. It is the removal of other types of wastage from our body. You also know that various organs in our body perform different functions. These functions involve processes such as respiration, digestion, etc. The waste products due to these processes in our body are known as metabolic wastage. Carbon dioxide, urea, salt, and water are some examples of this metabolic wastage. The process of removal of metabolic wastage is called excretion. Different organs are involved in this process. These are kidneys, lungs, liver, and skin. Urinary system. The main excretory system in human body is urinary system. Urinary system includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are two dark red bean-shaped organs, one on each side of the backbone. All the blood in the body enters the kidneys through the renal artery. It is a large artery which gets divided into smaller ones inside the kidneys. Urea is a soluble unwanted chemical substance which need to be thrown out from the body. The kidneys act like filter and purify the blood by removing all waste products such as extra water, urea and salt from it and later excrete it as a urine. Urine is a yellowish liquid that contains urea, waste salt and excess water from blood. The purified blood is then carried away from the kidneys by the renal vein. Urine from the kidney moves down to the urinary bladder through the two narrow muscular tubes called ureters. The urinary bladder is hollow muscular organ that temporarily store urine until it is released through the urethra. Other organs in excretion. The other organs or system that help in removing wastage from the body are lungs, liver, and skin. First about we will discuss about lungs. Lungs. Through the main function of lungs is respiration. They also help in excreting wastage from the body. A large amount of carbon dioxide is carried by blood to the lungs. It is removed from body along with some water vapors during exhalation or breathing out through the nose. Liver. Liver is another important organ in excretion. The function of liver is to purify the blood by removing toxins, drugs, and worn out red blood cells from our blood. Skins. Skin is largest external organs of our body. It also acts as excretory organ by removing excess salt, urea, and acids in the form of sweat from our body. Sweat is made up of water and salt. It is excreted through tiny holes called pores found on the skin. It is not only remove this wastage but also help in regulating body temperature. Our body gets rid of harmful waste products and toxins through the process of excretion. If these wastes are not removed from the body, then toxins will collect in our body and causes many diseases. To ensure that our excretory system functions properly, we need to take a healthy and balanced diet. Drink lots of water and fluids. Reduce consumption of tea, coffee and aerated drinks. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for next updates. Thank you.